Now we're going to focus on the middle of this model of the personal narrative. The snow came down thicker and faster. Caden and I went outside and threw snowballs. We made a fort. We had fun. We saw our neighbors coming home from work. They were tired and still had to shovel their sidewalks. Caden and I thought of Dad. He would be tired too. We decided to help. We shoveled our sidewalk and Mrs. Henshaw's walk next door. What do Caden and the narrator do first? It looks like they went outside and threw snowballs. What did they notice as they play? Here they saw their neighbors coming home from work. They knew that they were tired. They noticed that their sidewalks weren't shoveled yet. What did they decide to do to help? They thought that they could shovel sidewalks to help their neighbor as well as their dad.